Okay, hey guys, so we got a 2007 Ford Expedition in about a week ago from Copart, and I've got a question for you all regarding the liftgate latch. And I don't know if this is a common problem or not, but it's a problem that I'm already experiencing. So I thought I'd show you what the problem is and see if any of you have any ideas regarding it. Now, before I start this, I will show you, in a previous accident, this truck was damaged, but I don't believe that has any bearing whatsoever on the problem I'm having. So I'll go over there to show you. The basic problem is that this won't latch securely. You see all the vibration when I close it. The handle here is a little loose, and I'll show you that in a minute. But it opens up just fine. The problem is closing it. You see all that vibration again. I don't think the latch is doing its job. And I can move the door like this. It's just not good. Now here with the latch, that's a little shaky, but I don't think that really has much to do with it. But all the vibration really isn't pleasing me, especially since it doesn't latch securely. So hopefully this angle can show you again. I'll open it up. No problem. Opens up just fine. Now watch as I close it. You may be able to see somewhat how it shakes so much, but I'll just grab the handle right here and show you. The door really moves a lot, and from another angle, see how that moves so much? So I've got it latched as well as it will, but it's still messing up like that. So the rear glass for the hatch here works just fine. I don't get any vibration except that I shake the whole door. So obviously something is off with the latch mechanism or something, I don't know, within the door. And this isn't a great shot, but right down there, under the left tail light, there's all that rub. And that's not just being caused by it opening and closing. That is the whole hatch vibrating as I pull it up and down with my hand. So if any of you have any ideas as to what's causing this problem, I'd really appreciate some feedback. It's not a huge issue, but it is rather annoying, and it's causing a little rub mark there on the rear bumper cover. So comment if you have any suggestions. If not, thanks for watching anyway. Above all, never forget that Jesus Christ is